Draper Tools offers an extensive range of bench grinders and sanders. All are suitable for industrial, trade and home workshops. Within the range, there are a selection of 6 and 8-inch general and heavy-duty grinders, with or without integral light, and a variety of motor sizes ranging from 250 watts to 550 watts. There are also 2 wet and dry grinders that are designed to hone and grind hand and garden tool blades with greater precision. The bench sanders and belt linishers offer the user the capability to deburr, contact grind and chamfer most materials. This range of products is a must for any trade or enthusiast's workshop,